Hey everybody, thanks for hanging in there with me. It's been quite hectic, as you can see. My bench is in a bit of disarray, but hopefully we're going to get started back again. I had a little problem with my grandson's guitar, so I basically started over again from scratch. So that's what this is going to be. This is going to be the body, the new body of my grandson's guitar, and you enjoy that while I clean up a little bit. All right, thanks. All right, let's start off with the body. We have spalted maple for the body, 2x8 by 20, I believe. It came pretty much milled flat, so just a quick sanding and individual touch-ups, and we're good to go. Don't see any gaps, we're good. I lost the footage for the actual gluing up the top. It's been so long since I recorded it, I have no idea where I put it. But here's a life tip. Make sure you keep or save your rubbers. Well, for your clamps, you perv. Keep your rubbers on your clamps. Right, now we're all glued up. Time to flatten it out. I love this machine. This is so worth the money. It makes my life a hell of a lot easier. There's me trying to figure out which direction the top was supposed to go in because I lost the markings on the side. Alright, I think I figured it out. Never had much luck doing it this way. Always had better luck on the shooting board, but I was in a hurry and I thought I could do it quick. Famous last words. Looking for, you're not going to get seamless, but I'm looking for no gaps. Or if there is a gap, small enough that it can be closed with hand pressure. Gonna cut out the rough cut of the body. I always like to rough cut the body, get it close, and then when I cut the top, it's a lot easier to route. Yeah, I finally gave up. Decided to go with the shooting board. Real basic setup. A couple pieces of, I think that's 9 layers of laminated plywood. And stop at the top. Then a flat piece underneath. And that's pretty much it. A hell of a lot easier getting a square face on this than I was getting on the in the vise. Making sure I know which end to glue the top to, because the other side has some really nice markings I was trying to keep. I didn't want to, by mistake, glue the top to the wrong side. I'm sure nobody's done that before. See, I'm getting using tape as clamps. Now this is the back side, so I'm going to put more pieces of tape on this side. The front was just so I put 2 pieces on the front so that they're there, so that when I glue it, I don't have to rip tape off. I can use what I got. So I don't get any splooge anywhere underneath. I'm just pulling these back behind the joint. Spread out the glue, and I already have my 2 pieces of tape to start the process of clamping. Just a matter of making sure it's all flat and adding more tape. As long as you do your prep work right, this part's a breeze. Bit of weight to hold the center down. A little more weight to hold the center down. I think we're good. Joys of photography. It's already been 4.5 hours. Take the tape off, and we should be good to go. Now it's going to go in the thickness sander for a little bit. Get rid of all the glue splooge and get it down to the thickness I need. Again, if you can afford this machine, it is a lifesaver. Never knew how much I needed it till I got it. And this was just a basic design that I drew on there. What I did is I took my Jackson and threw it on there as a rough template and altered it from there. Your forearm carve. Trying to keep the horns the same thickness because for some reason I always make the horns too damn skinny. And here I noticed I didn't put the Jackson on centered. So I'm gonna have to adjust my adjust where my neck pocket is here in a second. There we go. Now I think I saw it. It's only 1/4 of an inch, so I'm not going to worry about the horns too much. It'll just give me more room on the bottom horn to reach the higher frets, that's all. I go through a lot of erasers. Now I see why. We're closing in on the final shape there. I think I'm happy with that one. Checking that that's centered. Well, I think we'll stop it right there. Things here are a little more manageable. I think you can tell the direction I'm going with the guitar. Kind of straightforward stretch style. Widened out the body a little bit. Increase the upper horn and decrease the lower horn. You got little hands. Hopefully it'll work out a little better. All right, thank you very much for watching. Again, I apologize for the delay in the videos. I promise you the next one won't take forever to come out. As always, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking. If you would have wanted a different route with the body, drop it in the comments, let me know what you think. Alright, man. Until next time. See ya.